want to see what Nafdac is doing today is assisting the ministry in achieving its mandate, because the mandate of the ministry today statutorily is to formulate policies which will deepen local content and ensure manufacturing, facilitate trade, and promote investments. So in line with the policy of the ministry, when it comes to manufacturing, the ministry has developed a policy on Health Industry Corporation of Nigeria. This policy is to ensure incentives are being given to local manufacturers of APIs and excipients, and also to promote local manufacturing of APIs, excipients, pharmaceuticals, and medical products.
So if we think about excipients first, they're very diverse materials. They come from all sorts of different things, right? They're very different in terms of their sourcing and their manufacturing processes many times than what you typically see with APIs. Then APIs, we have excipients that come from mining of minerals or harvesting of vegetation. We have formulated products, materials that come from biotechnology and fermentation. And finally, we also have materials that are made from animal byproducts.
Now, a patent is a grant of exclusivity. It can only be granted by a country. The US can only grant a patent for the US. India can only grant a patent in India. Nigeria grants patents. It doesn't rely upon the two major African unified patent review and approval systems, but Nigeria can only approve patents for Nigeria. It stands to reason, right? But what this is, a patent is a grant to the inventor or whoever the inventor assigns the rights to, and it excludes anybody else in that country and in that country only.
So why do we formulate drugs? Well, drugs are formulated because basically APIs on their own are not very convenient for the patient. We can get better accuracy of dose, consistency of dosing. We can improve bioavailability. We can improve the taste and palatability. I've never tasted a sweet tasting drug. I've tasted some very bitter ones, and there was one drug I tasted where I tasted it in the morning, I could still taste it in the afternoon. And we can also reduce side effects of formulation, and that brings us on to the whole realm of controlled dissolution and release. So why do we use excipients? Well, excipients help convert the API into a medicine that the patient or caregiver can use. And without excipients, there would be almost no medicines or drug products.
On behalf of the Nigerian pharmaceutical industry, we want to say a very big thank you to the Director General of Nafdac and the faculty for putting together this memorable workshop. For us, it's a step change, and you have put in us something that will make us a change maker in our continent. We want to assure you that we will not disappoint you.
We are really very grateful. We can't say thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you again and again. And to all our participants, I say a very big thank you to you all. It wouldn't have been possible without you all.
Words cannot describe how much we appreciate our speakers, the excitement, the readiness to help was just stupendous. And I believe this is the beginning of great things that will happen. This workshop is the first of series of workshops on API manufacturing. So we are fortunate to have these speakers with us. We are very, very fortunate.